Hello everyone, the Viking Piper here, and today I have a treat for you all, mainly for me, but just to review nonetheless. I have with me a gorgeous pipe, and this is one I've kind of been going on about, how I've really been wanting to try it, how I have so many different things to pair it with, and everything came together. So now I get to do this wonderful review, and I'm very excited. So we are going to be reviewing my Savinelli Miele 614. It is this pipe right here. Now you guys have seen me with this pipe in my unboxings. So just that beautiful grain, that light finish on it. And there's the Savinelli brand there. And just that stem. It looks like honey. Well, doesn't look too much like honeycomb, but that's what it's supposed to resemble. It's beautiful. And there's the bowl. I have not smoked this yet. So a little bit about this pipe. This is a full bent billiard, smooth natural finish. The tobacco chamber here, the chamber is actually flavored with nectar, nectar extract for a sweet break-in. So the description on this, it says, belonging to the flavor line with a honey-flavored chamber, which allows a smooth setting in. The honey-colored tapered stem recalls the beehive patterns. The theme box and the pipe companion especially create to remind you of a honey sprinkle that make this pipe very sweet and unique. Smooth honey color finishing, model 614, belongs to the classic billiard style. As you can see, it is surely the model with the most pronounced bend. The bend is so sharp, which requires more passages during the finish. An extraordinarily elegant model, not advised to less expert smokers. So, very excited to get started with this pipe. And along with this pipe, this was the companion they were saying in the description. What a beautiful honey dipper tamper with this pipe. Very, very cool. So it says it was nectared flavor for a nectar extract for a sweet break-in. But I don't really smell it or nothing like that. But just, again, very excited to try this pipe. And along with this pipe, I am going to be trying Boswell's honey roast. So, let's go ahead and get a little bit of info on the tobacco. So it says, the Boswell Honey Roast is a premium tobacco blend that combines cut golden Cavendish, black and fire-cured Cavendish. The black honey Cavendish is added as an enhancer to create an all-day smoke that is smooth and slow burning. This blend is known for its delicious honey taste sensation, which is enhanced by adding extra honey flavor, making it a must-try for those who enjoy honey aromatics. The tobacco leaves leave a gray ash and do not require moisture, resulting in a cool and satisfying smoke. It is recommended to smoke it fresh rather than store it for a long-term cellar time. So I'm going to try to make this a daily smoke until it's gone. I did get this since Christmas, so hopefully it's okay. But yeah, I guess it's not meant to be cellared for a long time, so you need to try to finish it and smoke it as quick as you can. But I'm just excited for the Cavendish in this. This is a mainly Cavendish blend. Oh, wow. Okay. So I have complained before on tobaccos that said that they have honey in them, and I cannot taste the honey. Well, this is nothing but honey. And I can smell that right off the bat. It is a nice, sweet honey flavor, scent rather, and it just hits you right in the face. Super excited for that. And again, guys, alongside these two spectacular items here, the pipe and the tobacco, what better to review it alongside a nice drink of mead. Now, I know this says All Father's Mead on it. However, my brother did have to change the name. So it is now called Forgotten Gods Mead, or Forgotten Gods Meadery. Still the same, just the name is the only thing that changed. So this is the Alfalfa Blossom, the traditional mead. It is a sweet mead as well. So all of his designs are staying the same. Nothing's changing on that. Just the name is the only thing that's going to change. So, and I wanted specifically a traditional mead, a traditional honey sweet mead to compare with the tobacco alongside the pipe. So his description reads, inspired by ancient gods. Rich and golden, this sweet mead embodies the full-bodied warmth of alfalfa blossom honey at its most indulgent. Lush floral notes mingle with soft, lingering sweetness, creating a smooth and velvety experience, a perfect balance of honey-forward richness and gentle depth. This mead is crafted for those who savor a luxurious, honey-kissed finish, whether shared in revelry or enjoyed in quiet contemplation. It offers a drink worthy of gilded goblets and golden feasts. It says each bottle of our mead is a testament to quality and tradition. We produce in small batches to ensure the highest standards. We embrace local ingredients, celebrating the bounty of our community. Our commitment to small-scale production is not just a practice, it's our promise to you for unparalleled excellence in every sip. Man. The ABV on this mead here is 12%. So just in case you're wondering. So one more thing on the mead. Today, this video is sponsored by Forgotten Gods Meadery. There is a discount code as well. I'm going to put the code right here so that you guys can see it, pause it, write it down. That is 10% off of the product itself and also shipping. So you just go to his website. I'll put that in the description as well. I'm not going to make it a full link, but you can still highlight, copy, and all that. So anyways, let's go ahead and open this up, and we are going to try it. And then we are going to pair it alongside the tobacco and see if there's anything that changes. Now, I will say, too, I love, all these are hand-dipped by hand in wax. He really takes the time to perfect his craft. He puts so much love and effort into every bottle, into every single mead that he makes. It is just very inspiring. So, Jason, you do a wonderful job. And I've not had one that I dislike. I am not a very dry person. I don't like my mead to be dry. He does have some dry ones that are still good. However, I don't always prefer those over the sweet ones that he does make. So if he has a sweet one available, I'm definitely going for the sweet because I am a sweet guy. All right, let's go ahead, pop this open. Okay, it's open. First thing I get is that it's a floral scent, but you get that honey as well. Oh, I do have my Viking glass with me today. Got this as a Christmas present. Let's look at that golden elixir. Whoop, gotta save some for my wife. She'll be upset. Oh, you can't help but smile when you drink this mead. The flavor is just spectacular. It it has a nice, it almost coats your tongue in this delicious honey flavor. Mm. It's very light. It's sweet, but it's not overly sweet. So if you are somebody who likes, of course, like a sweet wine, you're going to like this. Even if you are somebody who likes their wine more on the drier side, this is not going to be extremely sweet. So my wife likes dry, and she definitely enjoys the traditional meads. So they are always going to be a little bit more on the sweeter side, but she will still drink horn for horn with me on this mead here. So we've got the taste. We are going to go ahead. We're going to pack our pipe. This video is going to be a little bit longer, guys. Man, just that the moisture content in this is perfect. So this will be my first Boswell tobacco. And I definitely need to get me a Boswell pipe, especially the large ones. I love those so much, but I can never seem to get one. Okay, here we go. I've got my pipe packed. Let's light her up. Okay. So I get a very nice, smooth honey flavor. Now, it doesn't come out and grab your tongue, right? It is subtle, it is nice, and I feel as though once I smoke it more, the flavor will become more pronounced as well. So once I get to midway in my bowl here, I think I'll be tasting it even more. So right now I'm getting a slight taste of it. I get it more so on the retrohale than I do anything else. So we are going to go ahead and pair it, the Boswell honey roast, with Forgotten God's Meadery traditional alfalfa blossom. Mm. Huh. Okay. I feel as though this is really neat. You know how I said before, it kind of has a nice little coating on the tongue of flavor when you drink the mead. And that seems to be pulling off my tongue from the smoke. And it's a different flavor, it's a different taste, but it's a nice honey taste. It's more intense. Mm. That is really good. I am almost surprised at how much flavor I get just by having this on my tongue. That is crazy. It changes this flavor. It enhances it way more. That is amazing. I am very happy with the tobacco and the mead separately, but combined together, it is just a perfect pairing. So, like I said, I'm a big sweet guy, so I like a lot of sweet things. This might be a little bit of overkill if you're not into sweet things, but for me, this is a match made in heaven. Because I thought it might be too overpowering with all this honey, but it is not. At least for me, it is not. But again, I like things very sweet. But it is a big win on the Boswell honey roast tobacco. A massive win for the Alfalfa Blossom mead from Forgotten God's Meadery, and a truly epic win for the Savinelli Miele 614 pipe. Very, very happy with everything I have today. I am so glad I waited to do that traditional mead with this tobacco and with this pipe. It all came together in this beautiful epic conclusion to my waiting. So again, you guys can get the Alfalfa Blossom Mead from Forgotten Gods Meadery. He does have his site. He ships all over the US. And with my code, which is Viking Piper, you can get 10% off your purchase and 10% off shipping as well. So, with that being said, please go check him out. A lot of his packaging will still say All Fathers Meadery on it. He's just trying to get through those so he can replace them with his new name. That is the only thing that has changed. So please, if you like Mead, do yourself a favor and go check out his website, which will be posted in the description of this video, alongside the discount code. And if you guys like my Mead pairings with tobacco pipe, let me know. I plan on doing quite a few more of these as well, because it's just an amazing experience that I think you guys would love to try. And with that, I'm going to go ahead, sign off, and end this video. May your smoke be thick, your mead be sweet. And as always, happy smoking.